Hi everybody, I just wanted to share something about this particular design today, which is a stacked airing design. You can see here, this is a leaf shape design. So today I got my email on Creative Fabrica. So this is their weekly roundup which they sent. So this shows that this design is being added to people's favorite a lot this week. So I just wanted to show you this design. This design, you can find it in my shop if you go to my Artisan Craft SVG shop. So if you search for free, and then it will show up. So I have so many designs for free on Creative Fabrica. So you can see here, this design is here. So this is free, and I'm amazed that this design is being added 245 times so on in people's favorite. And you can see here, this is a cut file which can be used like there are three parts. They are actually same shape but three different sizes, so you can use any size, and they come with like these shapes come with a hole and without hole, so you can stack them in any way you like and you choose color or material, make pendants. And so this file I also up, showed how I made this file in a YouTube tutorial where I showed everybody how it will be made. And so you can, if you want to see how I make this file and how I proceed with the design, so this tutorial is also here, so you can watch if you want. So I just wanted to show you that this is amazing, that how quickly I made this design, and this is becoming a good seller. And even it is being added to people's favorite. So if you want this design for free, just type free in my Artisan Craft shop in Creative Fabrica, and you will find there are more designs, but this design is here, which is being favorited a lot by people these days. And on my YouTube channel you can learn how to make this design very simply. So thank you, and if you want this design, you can always visit my shop. Take care.